Hey folks, welcome back to another episode. Got me another ESR HaloLock, pretty much a MagSafe charger. They have improved these quite a bit, by the way. ESR has been doing a fantastic job, and they sent this one to me and asked me to kind of check it out because I've done some of their gears before, and they have this new thing now called Cryo Boost, and they've pretty much included in all of their gears now with MagSafe. Pretty incredible. I'm gonna unbox this, show you this. So let's go. So yeah, like I said before, I've had some ESR stuff, and they've been doing some incredible stuff, like innovative stuff with iPhone accessories. Yeah, I am an iPhone user, and I upgrade every single year, and so I love the fact that accessory makers are also upgrading along with the iPhone as well. Not just what Apple's is giving you, but also, you know, innovate out of that. So Apple does MagSafe, right? These guys, what they do is they add a fan into their charging unit, because if you have ever charged MagSafe, you know that battery gets really hot when you're charging it, that backing. So yeah, so really good stuff that they're doing over there. All right, big old instruction manual. I mean, full color instruction manual. These are beautiful, by the way. Good job, FYI. I really like those every single time I unbox their products. Can I take this out here? Oh wow, this is like, it's like, what is this? Aluminum, metal? I don't know what this is, but it's pretty tight. Okay, so there's a box for accessories. First off, let's remove that MagSafe right there, and then, all right. Okay, so as you already know, because you're looking at this, phone charger, Apple Watch charger, and then down here it's really faint, but you can see there's some linings right here for AirPods. All right, and then you got yourself power cords. Love these, awesome. Notice that the power cords is actually white as well to match with the white aesthetic, which is awesome, by the way. I'm trying to build like a whole white setup back here, and it's really hard when manufacturer, you know, give you like a black brick with your white component. Oh, pet peeves. Anyway, so if you're wondering, yes, you need to include your Apple Watch charger into here. So you just attach it to there and pop it in here. Now here's the thing, let me just go ahead and unpack this. You actually pop this open down here. Yep, you hear that snapping? Yeah. Snap, 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 and it comes out. Look at this. There's a USB-C port and also USB-A in case whichever version of the Apple Watch that you have, it comes with one or the other. Yeah, it's weird. Apple changed it up on you, and then there's some wiring, I guess, management in here as well, which is pretty cool. So yeah, this is where all the Apple Watch wiring is gonna be, you know, going, and then it's gonna loop up here to this hole, and then it's gonna, you attach it right there. Yep. But other than that, let's go ahead and pop this thing back in. Go ahead and pop this thing back in. Then once you're done, just pop the thing back in, and boom. Yeah. Okay, so right now you have this MagSafe right here, which is beautiful, by the way. Totally beautiful. And by the way, you see this rack here? This is where it's gonna suck the air in, and it's gonna blow it out here. So as soon as I pop this thing on here, the fan starts right away. Yeah, I can feel the fan just blowing right now. So yeah, as soon as it makes contact with this that fan turns on. Amazing stuff. By the way, you can like tilt this up and down. Not sure if you know that or not, but if you're one of those that like to lay it top like that, pretty nice. So yeah. Can you hear the fan? It's pretty silent. I think my AC back here is actually louder than this thing, so you probably can't hear it. But yeah, that's it right there. That's what I wanted to show you. This cryo boost stuff is amazing. At the same time, plenty of clearance to put your headphones. So let's say if you have one of these right here, you just drop it in there. And there we go. Oh, wait a minute here. Something I didn't know. This is magnetic as well. Look. It's magnetic. So that, oh, I love this. You don't understand. Some of these chargers that have this kind of base for you to charge your AirPods in. It's sometimes you don't know if you put it on there correctly or not. One of those extras that ESR always do, and they always surprise me every single time they send me their accessories. Guys, it's magnetic. So now I don't have to worry about if it's on there or not. I just throw it on there. Just throw it on there. and it just stays on, right? Look at that. Every manufacturer that does this, they should think about this. You got to put a magnet on here. I mean, I don't know how much it'll increase the cost, but come on. Yeah, anyway, that's awesome right there, guys. Really, really awesome sauce right there that they do that. I really appreciate them doing that. And one last thing I want to show you is that when the fan turns on this MagSafe right here, there is a light. Can you see that light right there? It's kind of blue. I know my light here is pretty like bright. So let me see. Can you see that nice blue light? Yeah. It's not like super bright, but you can see it right there. They really didn't have to do that, to be honest with you, but they did. Anyway, guys, that's it for me right there. That's another incredible accessory from ESR. Love this company. They do a fantastic job. And now with that cryo boost stuff, you know, they're solving problems. That's what they're doing. Love it. Love it. That's it for me, guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye.